This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 7 Days to Die Darkness Falls. First, ensure you have the mod launcher installed and select Darkness Falls to begin a new game. Next, you'll choose a character class and profession, which significantly impacts your starting gear and skill progression. Be prepared for a more challenging experience with tougher zombies and a deeper crafting system than the vanilla game. In the early game, your primary focus should be on survival. Find a cooking pot and grill as soon as possible to prepare safe food and water, as many raw items can cause illness. Completing your starting class quest is crucial for unlocking valuable tools and gaining early experience. Before the first horde night on day 7, establish a basic, 2-story shelter with reinforced doors and windows to withstand the increased zombie threat. As you progress into the mid-game, focus on expanding your crafting capabilities. Invest skill points into crafting to unlock advanced stations like the metal workbench, which is essential for better tools and armor. Establish a sustainable food source by expanding your farm and using rain catchers for efficient irrigation. Remember to actively loot bookshelves and complete trader quests. These are vital for acquiring new skill books and schematics to further your progression. For the late game, building a robust, dedicated horde base from reinforced concrete is paramount to survive the increasingly difficult zombie waves. Implement layered defenses using dart traps, electric fences, and turrets to control zombie flow and maximize damage. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Prioritize unlocking advanced weaponry like coil guns and lasers to combat the powerful endgame threats you will encounter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.